case you hadn't noticed, yeah, academia, which is the primary religion of the West, Western in school, where we're indoctrinated with it 5 days a week, and by government and organisations, sometimes people around us, and the media, yeah, it's rationalist quackademia that we're indoctrinated with, yeah? That's the primary religion. And often, not always, but often, it's utterly insane. Here's an example, right? So imagine you have a race with a tortoise, and you give it a head start, right? Now, these quackademic fuckers in their ivory towers can't work out the answer to this quote-unquote problem. The problem that they've got is, if you give the tortoise a head start, when do you draw level with it, right? So in their example, they've got a posh git, you know, ancient Greece. It's, yeah, they're posh people who love it, don't they? So the posh git from ancient Greece is called Achilles. He's probably a psychopath, like they are. And he can't run because he's posh. So he's doing 1 metre a second. The tortoise is moving at half a metre per second. And he gives it a 1 metre head start. So when does he draw level with the tortoise? The answer's not complicated, is it? It's after 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, he's travelled 2 metres, and the tortoise has travelled a metre, but it's already got a metre head start. So it's 2 metres ahead of where he started. So's he. They're level after 2 seconds. Problem solved. Except no, because they're insane. No. Listen to this.
Achilles passed the tortoise. To overtake the tortoise, Achilles first needs to catch up to the place where the tortoise was. At 1 second, Achilles is at the 1 metre mark, but by this time, the tortoise has moved ahead by half a metre.
Oh, what a shock! So they didn't realise this in the first place because they're fucking insane and they've no idea about time and motion because they're posh and they live in ivory towers. Anyway, they keep repeating this problem. They don't get it.
At 1.5,
blah,
has
blah,
moved ahead
and again, and again, and again. Keep repeating the same problem. Listen to this bloody-bling one.
Logically, this would continue indefinitely.
Logically, this would continue indefinitely. Befuddle, befuddle. What a load of bullshit.
Zeno argued that because the distance can be divided an infinite number of times, Achilles has an infinite number of distances to travel.
They've got infinity going on now. What the fuck? The answer was 2 seconds. You don't need to get involved with infinity. They're fucking nuts.
To overtake the tortoise. Therefore, he never will.
Therefore, he never fucking will? What the fuck? Look at her with a silly grin. Oh yeah, I believe this bullshit. They're fucking insane, these quackademics. Fucking insane.